Hi, Polly. Hello. You want to talk?
You do.
Okay. So we're going to be taking Polly outside to her outdoor cage. We've never done this before. It was her previous home inside, and we upgraded her cage, so it's now her secondary cage where she's going to get some sunshine. So this is her cage that she had been living in inside. And now we got to figure out how to get her from here to there. So just as a note, we did clip her wings before this so that she can't fly away. We're hoping that she'll walk right up onto her stick here. Let's see what she does. Come on, Polly. Come on, Polly. Don't take bird.
Go on the stick, Polly. You're going to be outside for a while.
Come on.
This is your old cage, remember?
Ah, oh, there she goes.
There she goes.
Yay! Was it?
Wow.
Look at that big bird.
Look at
Oh, I don't have
this.
to look. Hi, Polly.
Good girl.
Look at that. You're in your outside cage.
What do you think?
She's a little nervous. She's shaking. Good girl.
This so you can get some sunshine.
Give me some treats.
I hold it up to her face and let her pick her favorite one. She likes picking. Okay, Polly, you get to pick a treat. Ooh, what you gonna pick? What's she gonna pick?
Yeah, this thing's clean.
Some fruit? She got
No,
some?
it's yogurt.
Ooh, yummy. Yum, yum.